to do another one of those reviews you love oh so much. Today is Friday, October 11th, 2024. We're going to be doing a new release from a band on Imploding Sounds out of Seattle, Washington. It is a duo. They are called Vacant Brain, and the album is called Brain Drain. It is messed up, noisy, harsh power electronics and dark industrial, and it's on CD and digital, and it's just goddamn awesome. Kevin, one of the members of the band, is a friend of mine, and we collaborate on stuff. We have releases coming out, so there you go. This is a very non-biased review of the record that's pretty goddamn sick and crazy. It's different than a lot of stuff he does. The more stuff he does is dark ambient, electronic, and kind of avant-garde, but this is full-on goddamn ugly, harsh noise. It's out again on CD and Bandcamp digitally through Imploding Sounds through in Seattle. It's 7 tracks long. We're going to listen to several tracks of it. It came out on the 7th, and again, it's a duo. And here we go. We're going to start with track number 1. It's called Intellectual Flushing. 4 minutes of a 9-minute track. If you like stuff like Skin Crime, if you like stuff like Sickness, if you like stuff like Control, this is right up your alley. Again, harsh noise, ugliness, sonic destruction. It's experimental as hell. Again, the duo's name is Vacant Brain. The album is called Brain Drain. It's not their first record, and I know it's not going to be their last. Let's listen to another one of the 7 tracks on here. We're going to listen to track number 3. It's called Scraped Across the Concrete. This gives me vibes of like Old Boredoms or Monsana as well too. Let's listen to one more song off of Vacant Brain. The album's called Brain Drain. Came out on the 7th on Imploding Sounds out of Seattle. Again, a duo. I think they're both from Iowa, if I remember correctly. We are going to end with track number 6. It's called Mental Anguish.
For the record, you are
power electronics and harsh noise fan and you don't dig this, I don't know what to tell you, man. You're lost. Anyway, Vacant Brain, Brain Drain came out this week on Imploding Sounds out of Seattle. It's on CD and digital. Get this, don't be a jackass. Again, if you like this kind of stuff, I will have links to their Bandcamp and social media. If you like what I do, please like and subscribe to the Doorway 2 magazine on Instagram, YouTube, BitChute, and Rumble. Till next time, Clint from the Doorway 2. I will see you.